Oscars for Best Picture is Hollywood's most coveted film award. While some fantastic films have been honored with the title, other less than stellar picks have taken home awards. But no matter your opinion on there's no denying the Academy Awards' legacy for recognizing the great films of our time. Keep reading for a look at the movie named Best Picture: The Year You Were Born, 1929. Wings plot: two young men, one rich, one middle class, who are in love with the same woman, become fighter pilots in World War I. Stars: Clara Bow, Charles Buddy Rogers, Richard Arlen, and Gary Cooper, 1929. Again asterisk. The Broadway melody plot: a pair of sisters from the vaudeville circuit try to make it big time on Broadway, but matters of the heart complicate the attempt. Stars: Bessie Love, Anita Page, and Charles King, 1930. All Quiet on the Western Front plot: a young soldier faces profound disillusionment in the soul-destroying horror of World War I. Stars: Lou Ayres, Louis Wolheim, and John Ray, 1931. Cimarron plot: a newspaper editor settles in an Oklahoma boomtown with his reluctant wife at the end of the 19th century. Stars: Richard Dix, Irene Dunne, and Estelle Taylor, 1932. Grand Hotel plot: a group of very different individuals staying at a luxurious hotel in Berlin deal with each of their respective dramas. Stars: Greta Garbo, John Barrymore, and Joan Crawford, 1934 asterisk. Cavalcade plot: a cavalcade of English life from New Year's Eve 1899 until 1933 seen through the eyes of well-to-do Londoners Jane and Robert Marriott. Stars: Diana Wynyard, Clive Brook, and Una O'Connor, 1935. It Happened One Night plot: a spoiled heiress running away from her family is helped by a man who is actually a reporter in need of a story. Stars: Clark Gable, Claudette Colbert, and Walter Connolly, 1936. Mutiny on the Bounty plot: midshipman Roger Byam joins Captain Bligh and Fletcher Christian aboard HMS Bounty for a voyage to Tahiti. Bligh proves to be a brutal tyrant and, after 6 pleasant months on Tahiti, Christian leads the crew to mutiny on the homeward voyage. Stars: Charles Laughton, Clark Gable, and Frank Catone, 1937. The Great Ziegfeld plot: the ups and downs of Florenz Ziegfeld Jr., famed producer of extravagant stage revues, are portrayed. Stars: William Powell, Myrna Loy, and Louise Rayner, 1938. The Life of Émile Zola plot: the biopic of the famous French muckraking writer and his involvement in fighting the injustice of the Dreyfus affair. Stars: Paul Muni, Gail Sondergaard, and Joseph Schildkraut, 1939. You Can't Take It With You plot: a man from a family of rich snobs becomes engaged to a woman from a good-natured but decidedly eccentric family. Stars: Jean Arthur, James Stewart, and Lionel Barrymore, 1940. Gone with the Wind plot: a manipulative Southern belle carries on a turbulent affair with a blockade runner during the American Civil War. Stars: Clark Gable, Vivian Leigh, and Thomas Mitchell, 1941. Rebecca plot: a self-conscious bride is tormented by the memory of her husband's dead first wife. Stars: Laurence Olivier, Joan Fontaine, and George Sanders, 1942. How Green Was My Valley plot: at the turn of the century in a Welsh mining village, the Morgans, he stern, she gentle, raise coal mining sons and hope their youngest will find a better life. Stars: Walter Pidgeon, Maureen O'Hara, and Anna Lee, 1943. Mrs. Miniver plot: a British family struggles to survive the first months of World War II. Stars: Greer Garson, Walter Pidgeon, and Teresa Wright, 1944. Casablanca plot: in Casablanca, Morocco in December 1941, a cynical American expatriate meets a former lover, with unforeseen complications. Stars: Humphrey Bogart, Ingrid Bergman, and Paul Henreid, 1945. Going My Way plot: youthful father Chuck O'Malley led a colorful life of sports, song, and romance before joining the Roman Catholic clergy. After joining a parish, O'Malley's worldly knowledge helps him connect with a gang of kids looking for direction. Stars: Bing Crosby, Barry Fitzgerald, and Frank McHugh, 1946. The Lost Weekend plot: the desperate life of a chronic alcoholic is followed through a 4-day drinking bout. Stars: Ray Milland, Jane Wyman, and Philip Terry, 1947. The Best Years of Our Lives plot: 3 World War II veterans return home to small-town America to discover that they and their families have been irreparably changed. Stars: Frederick March, Dana Andrews, and Myrna Loy, 1948. Gentleman's Agreement plot: a reporter pretends to be Jewish in order to cover a story on anti-Semitism, and personally discovers the true depths of bigotry and hatred. Stars: Gregory Peck, Dorothy McGuire, and John Garfield, 1949. Hamlet plot: Prince Hamlet struggles over whether or not he should his uncle, whom he suspects has murdered his father, the former king. Stars: Laurence Olivier, Gene Simmons, and John Laurie, 1950. All the King's Men plot: the rise and fall of a corrupt politician, who makes his friends richer and retains power by dint of a populist appeal. Stars Broderick Crawford, John Ireland, and Joanne Drew. 1951, All About Eve plot. An ingenue insinuates herself into the company of an established but aging stage actress and her circle of theater friends. Stars Bette Davis, Anne Baxter, and George Sanders. 1952, An American in Paris plot. Three friends struggle to find work in Paris. Things become more complicated when two of them fall in love with the same woman. Stars Gene Kelly, Leslie Caron, and Oscar Levant. 1953, The Greatest Show on Earth plot. The dramatic lives of trapeze artists, a clown, and an elephant trainer are told against a background of circus spectacle. Stars James Stewart, Charlton Heston, and Betty Hutton. 1954, From Here to Eternity plot. In Hawaii in 1941, a private is cruelly punished for not boxing on his unit's team, while his captain's wife and second-in-command are falling in love. Stars Burt Lancaster, Montgomery Clift, and Deborah Carr. 1955, On the Waterfront plot. An ex-prize fighter turned longshoreman struggles to stand up to his corrupt union bosses. Stars Marlon Brando, Carl Malden, and Lee Jacob. 1956, Marty plot. A middle-aged butcher and a schoolteacher who have given up on the idea of love meet at a dance and fall for each other. Stars Ernest Borgnine, Betsy Blair, and Esther Minjotti. 1957, Around the World in 80 Days plot. A Victorian Englishman bets that with the new steamships and railways he can circumnavigate the globe in 80 days. Stars David Niven, Cantinflas, and Shirley MacLaine. 1958, The Bridge on the River Kwai plot. After settling his differences with the Japanese POW camp commander, a British colonel cooperates to oversee his men's construction of a railway bridge for their captors, while oblivious to a plan by the Allies to destroy it. Stars William Holden, Alec Guinness, and Jack Hawkins. 1959, Gigi plot. Weary of the conventions of Parisian society, a rich playboy and a youthful courtesan in training enjoy a platonic friendship, but it may not stay platonic for long. Stars Leslie Caron, Maurice Chevalier, and Louis Jordan. 1960, Ben-Hur plot. When a Jewish prince is betrayed and sent into slavery by a Roman friend, he regains his freedom and comes back for revenge. Stars Charlton Heston, Jack Hawkins, and Stephen Boyd. 1961. The Apartment plot. A man tries to rise in his company by letting its executives use his apartment for trysts, but complications and a romance of his own ensue. Stars Jack Lemmon, Shirley MacLaine, and Fred McMurray. 1962, West Side Story plot. Two youngsters from rival New York City gangs fall in love, but tensions between their respective friends build toward tragedy. Stars Natalie Wood, George Chakiris, and Richard Beymer. 1963, Lawrence of Arabia plot. The story of T.E. Lawrence, the English officer who successfully united and led the diverse, often warring, Arab tribes during World War I in order to fight the Turks. Stars Peter O'Toole, Alec Guinness, and Anthony Quinn. 1964, Tom Jones plot. The romantic and chivalrous adventures of adopted bastard Tom Jones in 18th-century England. Stars Albert Finney, Susanna York, and George Devine. 1965, My Fair Lady plot. A misogynistic and snobbish phonetics professor agrees to a wager that he can take a flower girl and make her presentable in high society. Stars Audrey Hepburn, Rex Harrison, and Stanley Holloway. 1966, The Sound of Music plot. A woman leaves an Austrian convent to become a governess to the children of a naval officer widower. Stars Julie Andrews, Christopher Plummer, and Eleanor Parker. 1967, A Man for All Seasons plot. The story of Thomas More, who stood up to King Henry VIII when the king rejected the Roman Catholic Church to obtain a divorce and remarriage. Stars Paul Scofield, Wendy Hiller, and Robert Shaw. 1968, In the Heat of the Night plot. An African-American police detective is asked to investigate a murder in a racially hostile southern town. Stars Sidney Poitier, Rod Steiger, and Warren Oates. 1969, Oliver plot. Young Oliver Twist runs away from an orphanage and meets a group of boys trained to be pickpockets by an elderly mentor. Stars Mark Lester, Ron Moody, and Shawnee Wallace. 1970, Midnight Cowboy plot. A naive hustler travels from Texas to New York to seek personal fortune, but in the process, finds himself a new friend. Stars Dustin Hoffman, John Voight, and Sylvia Miles. 1971, Patton plot. The World War II phase of the career of the controversial American general, George S. Patton. Stars George C. Scott, Carl Malden, and Stephen Young. 1972, The French Connection plot. A pair of NYC cops in the Narcotics Bureau stumble onto a drug smuggling job with a French connection. Stars Gene Hackman, Roy Scheider, and Fernando Rey. 1973, The Godfather plot. The aging patriarch of an organized crime dynasty transfers control of his clandestine empire to his reluctant son. Stars Marlon Brando, Al Pacino, and James Caan. 1974. The Sting plot. In Chicago in September 1936, a young con man seeking revenge for his murdered partner teams up with a master of the big con to win a fortune from a criminal banker. Stars Paul Newman, Robert Redford, and Robert Shaw. 1975. The Godfather, Part 2 plot. The early life and career of Vito Corleone in 1920s New York is portrayed while his son, Michael, expands and tightens his grip on the family crime syndicate. Stars Al Pacino, Robert De Niro, and Robert Duvall. 1976. One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest plot. A criminal pleads insanity after getting into trouble again, and once in the mental institution rebels against the oppressive nurse and rallies up the scared patients. Stars Jack Nicholson, Louise Fletcher, and Michael Berryman. 1977. Rocky plot. Rocky Balboa, a small-time boxer, gets a supremely rare chance to fight heavyweight champion Apollo Creed in a bout in which he strives to go the distance for his self-respect. Stars Sylvester Stallone, Talia Shire, and Barrett Young. 1978. Annie Hall plot. Neurotic New York comedian Elvis Singer falls in love with the ditzy Annie Hall. Stars Woody Allen, Diane Keaton, and Tony Roberts. 1978. The Deer Hunter plot. An in-depth examination of the ways in which the U.S.-Vietnam War impacts and disrupts the lives of people in a small industrial town in Pennsylvania. Stars Robert De Niro, Christopher Walken, and John Cazale. 1980. Kramer vs. Kramer plot. Ted Kramer's wife leaves her husband, allowing for a lost bond to be rediscovered between Ted and his son, Billy. But a heated custody battle ensues over the divorced couple's son, deepening the wounds left by the separation. Stars Dustin Hoffman, Meryl Streep, and Jane Alexander. 1981. Ordinary People plot. The accidental death of the older son of an affluent family deeply strains the relationships among the bitter mother, the good-natured father, and the guilt-ridden younger son. Stars Donald Sutherland, Mary Tyler Moore, and Judd Hirsch. 1982. Chariots of Fire plot. Two British track athletes, one a determined Jew and the other a devout Christian, compete in the 1924 Olympics. Stars Ben Cross, Ian Charleson, and Nicholas Farrell. 1983. Gandhi plot. Gandhi's character is explained as a man of non-violence. Through his patience, he is able to drive the British out of the subcontinent. And the stubborn nature of Jinnah and his commitment towards Pakistan is portrayed. Stars Ben Kingsley, John Gielgud, and Candice Bergen. 1984. Terms of Endearment plot. Follows hard-to-please Aurora looking for love and her daughter's family problems. Stars Shirley MacLaine, Deborah Winger, and Jack Nicholson. 1985. Amadeus plot. The incredible story of Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, told by his peer and secret rival Antonio Salieri, now confined to an insane asylum. Stars F. Murray Abraham, Tom Hulce, and Elizabeth Berridge. 1986. Out of Africa plot. In 20th-century colonial Kenya, a Danish baroness plantation owner has a passionate love affair with a free-spirited big-game hunter. Stars Meryl Streep, Robert Redford, and Klaus Maria Brandauer. 1987. Platoon plot. A young recruit in Vietnam faces a moral crisis when confronted with the horrors of war and the duality of man. Stars Charlie Sheen, Tom Berenger, and Willem Dafoe. 1988. The Last Emperor plot. The story of the final emperor of China. Stars John Lone, Joan Chen, and Peter O'Toole. 1989. Rain Man plot. Selfish yuppie Charlie Babbitt's father left a fortune to his savant brother Raymond, and a pittance to Charlie. They travel cross-country. Stars Dustin Hoffman, Tom Cruise, and Valeria Golino. 1990. Driving Miss Daisy plot. An old Jewish woman and her African-American chauffeur in the American South have a relationship that grows and improves over the years. Stars Morgan Freeman, Jessica Tandy, and Dan Aykroyd. 1991. Dances with Wolves plot. Lieutenant John Dunbar, exiled to a remote Western Civil War outpost, befriends wolves and Native Americans, making him an intolerable aberration in the military. Stars Kevin Costner, Mary McDonnell, and Graham Greene. 1992. The Silence of the Lambs plot. A young FBI cadet must confide in an incarcerated and manipulative her to receive his help on catching another serialer who skins his victims. Stars Jodie Foster, Anthony Hopkins, and Lawrence A. Bonney. 1993. Unforgiven plot. Retired Old West gunslinger William Money reluctantly takes on one last job, with the help of his old partner and a young man. Stars Clint Eastwood, Gene Hackman, and Morgan Freeman. 1994. Schindler's List plot. In German-occupied Poland during World War II, Oskar Schindler gradually becomes concerned for his Jewish workforce after witnessing their persecution by the Nazi Germans. Stars Liam Neeson, Ralph Fiennes and Ben Kingsley, 1995, Forrest Gump plot. Forrest Gump, while not intelligent, has accidentally been present at many historic moments, but his true love, Jenny Curran, eludes him. Stars Tom Hanks, Robin Wright, and Gary Sinise, 1996, Braveheart plot. Sir William Wallace begins a revolt against King Edward I of England after an English soldier assaults the woman he loves. Stars Mel Gibson, Sophie Marceau, and Patrick McGoohan, 1997, The English Patient plot. At the close of World War II, a young nurse tends to a badly burned plane crash victim. His past is shown in flashbacks, revealing an involvement in a fateful love affair. Stars Ralph Fiennes, Juliette Binoche, and Willem Dafoe, 1998, Titanic plot. A 17-year-old aristocrat falls in love with a kind but poor artist aboard the luxurious, ill-fated RMS Titanic. Stars Leonardo DiCaprio, Kate Winslet, and Billy Zane, 1999, Shakespeare in Love plot. A young Shakespeare, out of ideas and short of cash, meets his ideal woman and is inspired to write one of his most famous plays. Stars Gwyneth Paltrow, Joseph Fiennes, and Jeffrey Rush, 2000, American Beauty plot. A usually frustrated suburban father has a midlife crisis after becoming infatuated with his daughter's best friend. Stars Kevin Spacey, Annette Bening, and Thora Birch, 2001, Gladiator plot. When a Roman general is betrayed and his family murdered by an emperor's corrupt son, he comes to Rome as a gladiator to seek revenge. Stars Russell Crowe, Joaquin Phoenix, and Connie Nielsen, 2002, A Beautiful Mind plot. After John Nash, a brilliant but asocial mathematician, accepts secret work in cryptography, his life takes a turn for the nightmarish. Stars Russell Crowe, Ed Harris, and Jennifer Connelly, 2003, Chicago plot. Murderesses Velma Kelly and Roxy Hart find themselves on death row together and fight for the fame that will keep them from the gallows in 1920s Chicago. Stars Renee Zellweger, Catherine Zeta-Jones, and Richard Gere, 2004, The Lord of the Rings, Return of the King plot. Gandalf and Aragorn lead the world of men against Sauron's army to draw his gaze from Frodo and Sam as they approach Mount Doom with the One Ring. Stars Elijah Wood, Viggo Mortensen, and Ian McKellen, 2005, $1 Million Baby plot. A determined woman works with a hardened boxing trainer to become a professional. Stars Hilary Swank, Clint Eastwood, and Morgan Freeman, 2006, Crash plot. Los Angeles citizens with vastly separate lives collide in interweaving stories of race, loss and redemption. Stars Don Cheadle, Sandra Bullock, and Thandie Newton, 2007, The Departed plot. An undercover cop and a mole in the police attempt to identify each other while infiltrating an Irish gang in South Boston. Stars Leonardo DiCaprio, Matt Damon, and Jack Nicholson, 2008, No Country for Old Men plot. Violence and mayhem ensue after a hunter stumbles upon a drug deal gone wrong and more than $2 million in cash near the Rio Grande. Stars Tommy Lee Jones, Javier Bardem, and Josh Brolin, 2009, Slumdog Millionaire plot. A Mumbai teen reflects on his upbringing in the slums when he is accused of cheating on the Indian version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. Stars Dev Patel, Frida Pintos, and Saurabh Shukla, 2010, The Hurt Locker plot. During the Iraq War, a sergeant recently assigned to an army bomb squad is put at odds with his squad mates due to his maverick way of handling his work. Stars Jeremy Renner, Anthony Mackie, and Brian Jarrety, 2011, The King's Speech plot. The story of King George VI, his impromptu ascension to the throne and the speech therapist who helped the unsure monarch become worthy of it. Stars Colin Firth, Jeffrey Rush, and Helena Bonham Carter, 2012, The Artist plot. A silent movie star meets a young dancer, but the arrival of talking pictures sends their careers in opposite directions. Stars Jean Dujardin, Berenice Bejo, and John Goodman, 2013, Argo plot. Acting under the cover of a Hollywood producer scouting a location for a science fiction film, a CIA agent launches a dangerous operation to rescue 6 Americans in Tehran during the U.S. hostage crisis in Iran in 1980. Stars Ben Affleck, Bryan Cranston, and John Goodman, 2014 to 12 Years a Slave plot. In the antebellum United States, Solomon Northup, a free black man from upstate New York, is abducted and sold into slavery. Stars Chiwetel Ejiofor, Michael Kenneth Williams, and Michael Fassbender, 2015, Birdman or the Unexpected Virtue of Ignorance plot. Illustrated upon the progress of his latest Broadway play, a former popular actor's struggle to cope with his current life as a wasted actor is shown. Stars Michael Keaton, Zach Galifianakis, and Edward Norton, 2016, Spotlight plot. The true story of how the Boston Globe uncovered the massive scandal of child molestation and cover-up within the local Catholic archdiocese, shaking the entire Catholic Church to its core. Stars Mark Ruffalo, Michael Keaton, and Rachel McAdams. 2017, Moonlight plot, a timeless story of human self-discovery and connection. Moonlight chronicles the life of a young black man from childhood to adulthood as he struggles to find his place in the world while growing up in a rough neighborhood of Miami. Stars Mahershala Ali, Sherry Ferp, and Dewan Sanderson. 2018, The Shape of Water plot. At a top-secret research facility in the 1960s, a lonely janitor forms a unique relationship with an amphibious creature that is being held in captivity. Stars Sally Hawkins, Octavia Spencer, Michael Shannon, Doug Jones.